Hello, this is Bobby Michael. Welcome to my space. Today we are going to be touring the Figma interface. We are going to be checking out some Figma fundamentals also. So if you log in onto Figma, both on the web and if you download the desktop app, this is the interface you are going to come in contact with. One thing you have to notice, this interface is segmented, and then we have different sections here. So each section contains the bars and the content in the bars. When you open the Figma interface, you will see something like this. So if you check on this left hand side, you are going to see a sidebar. This is a bar on its own. The bar on the left hand side is called the sidebar. So the first thing on the sidebar is your account. This is my account. So the first thing here is your account, and then the next thing is the community. In the community, you can post your you can publish your design there for people, and you can also check there to see other people's design, maybe for inspiration purpose or the rest. So here is your recent project, and then here is draft, maybe project that you've saved. Then below it here is your teams. Below here are the teams that you have created, the teams that you've joined, the teams that you've collaborated with to create a particular project or design. So after that, we have everything below. Everything below here is your project. So you can check for your previous projects below here. So these are my previous projects. I've done this in time past, so you can easily access them here. So this is more like templates in FigJam. You can easily use this to create your FigJam. So we are going to talk about FigJam some other time. If you want to create a new design, you can click on this. If you want to create a FigJam file, you can click on this. And if you want to import files from other tools, you can click on this. Above here, which is your search bar. So with this, you can easily search for your previous designs. You can also search for your teams and your some people that you have collaborated with, or some persons that you have in your team. Here you can explore the community. If you click on this, you can explore the Figma community. Here is your notification. If you click on this, you can check out notifications that you have. So here is the user profile. This is my profile. This is my community profile. This is my internal profile. This is my plugins, my settings, my themes. I can either choose to use a light or dark theme. This is a dark theme. I can choose to use a light theme, and then this is a light theme. So I always prefer the dark theme. So let me use this system dark. So you can add another account. You can log out also. So let's move straight to our Figma design. So this is the main Figma interface. In this main Figma interface, we have a limited section. We have the section above, the section by the left, and the section by the right. And in between of them, we have our workspace. This is called a workspace. So in the section above is also segmented into three. So here are the two bars, and here is for the names, and then this other side is for is the option bar. So in the toolbar, if you click on this, you can see where to use your quick actions. You can create new design, you can import design, you can edit, you can view, you can bring in objects, text, you can arrange, you check your plugins, you can do many things here. You can also ask for help. Here is your toolbar. With this, you can easily click on any other thing to navigate. So here is your framing. You can, assuming you want to create a mobile app, you can use 14 Pro. If you use your frame, you click on the frame you want. So this is it here. So in the frame, you can have a shape. So this is our shape 2, and then this is, meanwhile in this shape 2, you can easily drop down. Even in any of them, you can drop down to check out for other shapes or other tools that you want to use. This is another shape. That is that for about the shapes. So here is my pen tool. Just like you can use pen tool on other editing softwares like Photoshop and the rest, you can also use your pen tool here. Here you can use this for freehand pen or freehand sketch. You can also use this as your digitally created sketch. You can use this to write text to say hello world. You can see hello world there. Hello world. So here, when you click on this, you can access your components, you can access your plugins, and then you can access your widget. We're going to talk about plugins later. So this is your hold. If you hover on any of this, you can get the name of what it is. So this is your hand tool. You can use it to navigate through your project, through your document. And then this is a comment. You can use it to comment to say, as I'm leaving this design, I want to, maybe when I'm coming back, I want to work on the icons. Let's say work on iconography. So you can use it to create comment. So if I come on this design, I'll easily see it and then I'll do what I'm supposed to do. So here it's showing that we have this file in our draft. This is our draft, and then we have our file here. So let's go back to our file. You can double click on this to change the name to say let's say training file. So we have training file. Here is you. If there are other persons in this project, they're also going to show you. So if you click on this, you can share the projects. You can easily share. You can type the email and then you send invites, or you can copy the link and send. You can also publish to community from here. Here you can prototype. When you click on this, you will take it to another page where you can view. Here it's zooming and changing, adding layout grids and products to your project. So this bar here is the editing bar. On this bar, that is where you'll be able to edit anything that is in your workspace. So anything that you input in your workspace, you'll be able to edit them on this right hand sidebar. On the left hand sidebar, this is where your layers will appear. So each of these are layers on its own and it's appearing here. When you click on these assets beside the layers, it's going to take you to components and libraries. So you can create you can check out your components, you can create components, and you can use library to access the component. So we are going to be talking about library and components and some other things. So for now, these are your layers. You can double click on any of them to name them, to say this is a test. So you can name them anything you want to name. See, it has appeared here as test. So this is basically where this is basically the FIGMA interface. We are going to talk about editing, that is on this right hand side, but we are going to talk about formatting our documents. Thank you.